So second week down, we are week 2, and we have a new champion. Ardash, C Ardash, 26.78%. Someone was on around 26-27% last time. And I've got, or was it 18%? I can't remember. This is where we were. This is last time we updated in the Telegram group. The first place, Pascal, Mohammed, Marco, they're all in the 13, 18%. Mohammed, 12%, and then Anton. Anton's fairly consistent. I've seen him up there quite a few times. Pretty much on every single update, Anton has been there with 27 trades. So how many has he got now? Anton has got 43 trades, and that's in 5 days, 4 or 5 days. So that was on the 9th of August, which was the start of the week. That was the Sunday. So just before we were opening up the markets, opening up the charts for the week ahead, he was in 5th place. So he's fairly solid in 5th place, and he's actually gained 4%. So those additional trades, he's moving in the right direction. With another 2-3%, he could be on the podium. Ranga is a new one on the watch list, and he has come with 4 trades. This is what I mean. This is all it takes. 1 trade, 1.5%, and he's up in the prize. So, like I say, when I say you can join at any point, 4 trades, 11.5%. 4 trades, 9.4%. So it doesn't take a lot. If you're not signed up, get signed up. You've got another 2 weeks, and like I say, it could just be 1 or 2 trades that really kind of puts you on the way. Out of all of these traders, we've got 126. There are only 13, 14 that are profitable, and I think a lot of them will be on here that are obviously negative. So even if you join and you didn't place a trade, you could be 15th because everybody else is losing money. Another Mohammed. Interesting. Don't know where that is from. No country info. Okay, fair enough. I wonder if that's Mohammed again trying to get his position back. So yeah, interesting stuff. 17 and 18 trades, 26.7%, 17 trades. I don't know when Ardash joined. I don't know when Pascal joined. I think he's been in from the start. So it's probably an average of like 2 trades, 1.5 trades a day. Obviously we've got 10 trading days. We started on the 1st, which was the 3rd, which is the first trading day. So 10 trading days, 18 trades, almost 2 trades per day. Almost 2 trades per day, and this is an average of like 2 a week. 5, 6, 7, 20 trades a week. Quite a few. 15 trades a week. 1 trade a week. 1 trade a week. 15 trades a week. 7.5 trades a week. I don't know. It's late in the week. 20 Justin B. I think Justin B is a new trade on. No, he's been 7th, so he's dropped the position. And he's only dropped a very small percentage. So I'd say generally the average of these schools are growing. So there's more percentage in terms of growth percentage on this table. And the top 3 are seemingly pulling away. Certainly first place is pulling away. Second and third, previously we were looking at 13, 13, 12. So that top 4 was quite close. The top 4 still is close. But Ardash has taken a quite a solid gain. So that's it's interesting stuff. We also have things such as the prize to win, obviously. So we've still got this 200k funded account, and just to put things into perspective, with that single trade here, these 2 people that have traded 3rd and 4th, 3rd and 4th, 4 trades to put things into perspective. 3rd and 4th, you got a 300k 2-step challenge, that $400-500 there that's been won, and then you've got maybe $300, $285 or something that is the 50k, $300 or something like that is the 50k account without discounts and stuff. So 4 trades, and you can be in the money. Another 1 or 2 positions, and Pascal could be overtaken, or even if he loses a few trades. I'd definitely say if you're trying to win that first place, you've got to keep trading. I think his game plan might be to just sit at cash for a little while and see if these guys kind of fall off a little bit, unless Ardash sees some kind of killer setups, he might think, actually, I've got 2 weeks left. And second place has only gained 13% compared to 15%. If it's only 2% a week for the next 2 weeks, he might be safe where he is. So the pressure is going to need to be put on to Ardash to see if he will, lose that place. It's his to lose rather than for someone else to overtake him. Statistics would say if you gain 15% in 2 weeks, but after the first week, Pascal was 18%. So Pascal's actually gone down. He's gone backwards. Ranga, I would say, is the dark horse. So this guy here and Mohammed as well, these are the two that you've got to watch out for. I'm backing Anton because he's from the UK. But these two are the ones to watch out for. Low trades, high risk, or high reward, and they've just come out of nowhere within this last week. So that's what I'll say. That's what I'll say. I'll say get involved. 16 days ago it started and we've got 17 days left, 16, 15 days left, 17 days left. And it's all to play for. It's absolutely all to play for. So make sure you do get set up, signed up. You've got discounts and stuff. And when you're signed up, you're going to get loads of benefits anyway. So you get used to Trade Locker. You get used to or access to all the discounts and everything, all the other trading competitions. There's not just this one. There's other things that you can enter as well. It'll be month after month. And if you do maybe get to like 200 members, 200 participants on here, we'll do some tangible gifts as well. So MacBooks, iPads, Beats headphones or something like that. So maybe some monitors, depending on how large shipping might be. But yeah, there's certainly more things to be won and more competitions to come out. So check it out, get signed up. Like I say, it doesn't take a lot to really win. So do obviously pay notice. We've pretty much, I think we're -3%, -4% on ours. We took a 2% on NASDAQ shorts and we ended up blowing that. And what else did we take? GJ shorts. Lost that as well. So yeah, we're -4% overall, and I think we lost 3% over the last couple of days. So we're nowhere to be seen, unfortunately. But it's just the way the cookie crumbles. We'll wrap it up there. We'll see you on the next one. But this is the second week update wrap up.